This is our 2015 Ram Promaster. We've been living in it for a few months, seeking out the best places to ride bikes. This is what it looks like when we're set up for camp someplace. So we have our 2 full suspension bikes and 2 single-speed hardtails, depending on what kind of riding we want to do. And we went with a high roof because we wanted to be able to fit all 4 bikes with both of their wheels on. We used garage hooks to keep them in place, and we have 4 different big tubs with bike packing gear, bike tools, extra bike parts, and Andrew's sewing machine. So it took some practice to figure out where the pedals need to be when we take them in and out, but now that we know where they go, it's pretty easy. This is our bed. We built it using IKEA bed rails and plywood, and we sleep on camp pads with sleeping bags. When we bought the van, it already had this L-track installed, some passenger seats, and then the plastic finishing. So we have some milk crates that we already had, and some bags to store all our clothing on our bed. We have a cargo net below the bed where we store some laundry and some extra down clothes. That allows us to take bikes and the tubs in and out and still use that dead space below the bed. We have a Max Air fan and some LED lights that are powered by our 100-watt solar panel. So we have this tool chest that's like our kitchen counter with our stove, 7-gallon water jug. We keep like dishes and toiletries in here, and our stove goes in there when we're driving. On this side there is all our food. And then on the other side we have a few more food things, and then pots and pans, wash bin, some other miscellaneous things in there. We keep our food cool using this cooler and ice. There's usually just like produce and cheese and beer in here. So we use our cooler as a table when we're eating lunch. We have 2 of these 7-gallon water tanks, and we keep it up here when we're not driving. So 2 of those 14 gallons last us about a week before we have to fill up again.